Looking for a way to make your nighttime rides even more exciting and safe? Look no further. Introducing this LED bike light compatible for Rad Power bikes. With bright and long-lasting LED lights, this product will make sure you are visible to others on the road and will make your rides even more enjoyable. In this video, we'll walk you through the easy steps of installing the light so you can be back on the road in no time. Upon opening your package, you'll find the light bracket, zip ties, and a washer and nut. This light features 6 bright LED spotlights, and with the adjustable light bracket, you have the ability to direct the light beam exactly where you need it. All the joints are sealed to prevent water from entering, ensuring that this product is waterproof so you can ride in rain or shine. It connects to all Rad Power bikes using the 2-pin Juliet plug, and this front rack version has a cable that is long enough to accommodate the added length of your front-mounted rack. Now let's talk about the bracket. You'll use the provided nut and washer to secure the bracket to the screw hole under your Rad front rack. You'll need a flathead screwdriver to tighten the nut, and a cross Phillips screwdriver to tighten the 2 side screws and adjust the angle of the light beam pattern onto the road. So let's get to installing the light. First, let's locate the screw hole under your Rad Power Bike front rack, as seen here in the video. This is where you'll attach the light. Now take the screw and washer and feed it through the hole located in the light bracket. Using a flathead screwdriver, tighten the screw into the bottom of your front rack. Make sure you adjust the left and right angle of the light before securing the screw into place. Once the screw is in place, you can use a cross Phillips screwdriver to adjust the angle of the light beam. This will ensure that you're getting the best possible visibility while riding. Finally, use the supplied black zip ties to tidy up and secure the extra cable in place, making sure it doesn't affect or pull when you turn the bike's handlebars. Now go ahead and connect the 2-pin Juliet plugs together by aligning the 2 arrows and connecting them, and then turn on your bike. Congratulations, you're all done and have successfully installed your LED light. Thanks for watching this video. To purchase this light, click the link in the description below.